Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 7th April 2024. In this video, let us find the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. And also we will find daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones. And at the end of the report, we will generate stop buffers. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. All the videos, training videos I kept in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. So from the description, you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel, it will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in the channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. And the first report we will generate from the yearly time frame. Mostly you don't find the zones for the yearly time frame because most of the stocks are either away from the zones or closed inside yearly zones. But anyway, let us verify. I am selecting the entry time frame as yearly and let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. Let us filter. No stocks are available. Let me go back. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly supply zone. No stocks are available. So I am going back and changing the time frame to half yearly and let us find the stocks where price is near to the half yearly demand zone. So one stock is filtered. I'll be giving you only few seconds time to study this particular stock. What you need to do, you just pause the video, you can go through all these columns and then you can proceed with the video. If required using leg in, base, leg out, you can even draw the zones. That process I clearly explained in lesson 21.1. If you did not complete lesson 21.1, please complete that video. I have explained all the columns in details and also how to draw the zones by taking leg in, base and leg out columns. And with this information, easily we can draw the zones in our charting software. So I'm going back. For half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. So one stock is filtered near to the half yearly supply zone. So moving back, changing the time frame to quarterly, let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. No stocks are available. So let me go back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. And these two stocks are filtered, which are near to the quarterly supply zone. So again, I'm going back, changing the time frame to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So these two stocks are filtered, which are near to the monthly demand zone. So I'm going back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. So these three stocks are filtered, which are near to the monthly supply zone. Going back, changing the time frame to weekly, let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. These 8 stocks are filtered, which are near to the weekly demand zone. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. Let us check any high liquidity demand zones. No, we don't have any high liquidity demand zones from this daily time frame. So I'm going back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. So 15 stocks are filtered. So from this list, let us identify high liquidity daily supply zones. Conquer is having high liquidity daily supply zone, fresh zone. So you need to fine tune the zone and check whether there is any fine tuned 5-minute zone. Otherwise the zone will be violated. And we have Deepak Nitrate. This is having high liquidity daily supply zone. It is a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune this zone and you need to look for a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone. Otherwise this zone will be violated. And the next one is Exide Industries, already tested once. I think last video I explained Exide Industry how to fine tune the zone. We discussed about it. And the last one is UBL. This is having high liquidity supply zone, already tested once. So you need to look for a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone inside. And also you should also remember this is also having high liquidity demand zone, but it is far away. So these are the high liquidity supply zones we identified. Now let's go back and changing the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. These 11 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So these 13 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. Changing the time frame to 75 minutes. For entry time frame 75 minutes, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So these 8 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity demand zones from this list. This is pierced. Anyway, it is indices and also pierced. Nifty Pharma is also high liquidity, but it is a indices. Next one, Alchem. This is a high liquidity demand zone and it is a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune the zone and check the quality of this zone. If you find a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone, you can plan a trade. That means we got only one high liquidity demand zone from the 75 minutes time frame. So let's go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. So these 10 stocks are filtered. And let us verify high liquidity supply zones from this list. 75 minutes time frame, high liquidity zones. The first one, RT Industries is a high liquidity, having high liquidity supply zone, already tested 3 times. And 4 rejections from this zone, and look for a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. Next one is Axis Bank, is also high liquidity zone, and this is also tested 2 times and 5 rejections from this zone. You have to fine-tune this zone and look for a fresh 5 minutes fine-tuned zone. And we have one more high liquidity zone, HDFC Life. is a high liquidity 75-minute supply zone. It is a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune this zone for finding a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone. Next one is Hindustan Copper. This is also having high liquidity zone, and it is already tested 10 times and 10 rejections from the zone. A strong order flow is there. So fine tune this zone. The next one, that's it. These are the high liquidity zones from this list. Now let me go back, changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. These 9 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. These 7 stocks are filtered. So again going back, changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. These 10 stocks are filtered, which are near to the 5 minute supply zone. So these are the stocks near demand and supply zones. In the last report, let us find the stop buffers generated from daily ATR. So I am generating the stop buffers from daily ATR. So this is the list. First 17 in this list are indices, remaining all are equity stocks. And you know the date and the last traded price, and here we have daily ATR. From daily ATR we calculated 15% ATR, and it can be used for daily time frames. 10% ATR can be used for 75 or 125 minutes time frame. 5% ATR can be used for 15 minutes or 25 minutes time frame. 3% ATR can be used for 5 minutes time frame. Those who wants to use only 2% ATR, you can calculate from daily ATR. The daily ATR value into 2 divided by 100. That's it. You will get the value. But I am recommending 3%. In case if you feel risk is high, still you can go with 2% ATR. That was the standard value. But this is 3% is my recommended value. Okay, I will keep on scrolling this list down. What you need to do, just pause the video if you want to refer any of the stocks. So I'm scrolling down. So this is the complete information. Hope this information in this report will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. So let us all continue from here in our next video. Thank you.